I'm going to save you a ton of time and a ton of money with this video today. You're basically going to be able to remove your need to build out your own Go High Level funnels or a web developer to come in and do that. Instead, you're going to work with AI and basically take what's in your mind for ideas and visuals and put it into your funnel in just minutes, and then be able to make edits very quickly as well. Now, my name is Hunter. If you're new here, I've done over 7 million top line in fitness combined between my brick and mortar gym and the online coaching businesses that I do have. And I share the lessons that I learned from those, bring them to you so you don't have to go through the trials and tribulations that I have to, although you still probably will have some. So let's jump right in on how you can do this. Now, I like to use Claude as my main AI brain here, but if you got ChatGPT or anything like that, then you can absolutely use that. What you're gonna wanna do is just have a simple prompt. You want to share what you're doing with Claude. And so I might say, I'm building an opt-in page for blank promotion. Here are the details. And then you would write out the details. Give me the HTML code that I can plug in to the Go High Level funnel. Once you have done that, you're gonna prompt it. It's gonna generate up some stuff. You're gonna get something that looks like this. So this is just a webinar page that we're working on, and as you can see over here on the right, it actually shows you the page, but it also will give you the code or let you look at the code. And so what you're going to do is come up here and copy it, and then you're going to start a new funnel. I've already got one created, but you would go into Go High Level, go to sites, then you would go to funnels, and then you would select the funnel you want. And so I'm just going to go to our webinar funnel because I've already got one built out for you. And then you're going to create a page. And when you create a new page, what I want you to do is make sure that you eliminate all of the elements from it. So you can see here, when I go to edit this page, there is, I only have one element, and that's my custom HTML. And also, if you look here, that I've removed padding from everything, so there's no weird padding around this. Once you add a custom HTML element, then you're going to click in, you're going to go to open code editor, and you are going to paste your code within here, okay? And so this is all it looks like from this point of view, but if I actually click in and preview, you're going to see that I have a fully developed page that looks great. It takes very little time and it works excellent. You can integrate your forms and your calendars within this. You just need to take the links from Go High Level that they provide you and give it to your Claude or the AI that you're using, and then you'll be able to integrate it more with High Level and have it do everything you want. This has been such a useful tool for myself, for our businesses. It saves so much time, and as a marketer, I can get my ideas on paper really quick instead of having a wait time of me building it or somebody else doing it. So if you found this helpful, go ahead and just drop a like below. I'd really appreciate it. If you have questions, of course, drop the comment, and if you have additional questions, just want to reach out or need help with something, feel free to hit me up on Instagram at Hunter Grindle. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.